Hey, look guys, we match. This Friday. Yo, do you guys like my fresh new kicks? Victoria's gonna be really pissed if I wear them in the garage, so I'm just wearing them in the beginning of the video to flex a little bit, because I like my new Vans. We had to grab red to match the red for the Evo, boys. You know, I just realized this. I did not know this. I walked around to the side of my house the other day, and I realized we have a peach tree. What is that? Oh, that's a goop. What is that? That's like a freaking snot. Ew. We got a whole peach tree on the side of our house, so I gotta come here and like prune it and stuff like that. I'm gonna shake it. Oh god, I'm wet now. Let me give you guys a little bit of a house update. So it's a little bit of a mess right now because we got a party we're hosting tomorrow for Mother's Day, but you guys have I think you guys have seen a painted room, got some more furniture and stuff like that, so my office is kind of a mess, but we repainted that. Everything else in here is pretty much the same. Got some decor, but check out the backyard. Check out my swamp. Shrek lives back here, it's great. So this is cool. My dad actually got this for us as like a move-in gift. It's a big ass like propane tank, and they cut off the butt part of it. It's now a fire pit, which we don't have firewood in it. Victoria got some chairs. They're nice and wet because it's been raining back here. Got some flowers, it's really pretty. Got a few boxwoods over here. We're gonna start lining up over here. Got some hydrangeas. Oh, they're actually so pretty, dude. Yo, I don't even like flowers that much, but this is tight. Look at those, they're starting to bloom. Bad choice for these shoes, dude. Anyways, I think that's about all that we've done. We have like our grill, our smoker and stuff like that, and birds hit our window all the time. Some of them die. I picked one up the other day and I helped him fly away, and so he was good, but sometimes they just die. Okay, anyways, back to the point of the video. I am blown away and very excited about the hype that we got from this color reveal. I'm really happy you guys like it because, I mean, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. I like it. We ended the reveal video talking about new wheels, and it was funny. For the first time ever, I did one of the premiere things where you guys watch the video with me live, and you can't skip around, and it's great because you actually get to watch my hard work that I put into a video. But people were so upset, and like, I guess in a funny way, some people were genuinely mad that I didn't reveal the wheels. But today, we're gonna put some wheels on. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the clip of what the actual wheels are.
I think those are my favorite.
These are gonna be cool. Some of my favorite wheels from Kansei, they have a lot of really cool flow form wheels. They fit really good on like all Japanese cars. Like if you have a 240, even a BRZ, like they make 5x100. Everything that they do is like custom drilled. Everything's a blank basically in their warehouse, and they'll drill what you need, but they have really good aggressive offsets. Very excited to be able to run them on this car. I love the bronze wheels. You know, I explained why I wanted to get rid of them in the last video, and I just think that they just kind of clash with the color of the car. First time the Evo's ever been on the lift, actually. Nice, and it's way too low. Way too low. I'm gonna make this car look good soon enough. I'm still waiting on a lot of stuff from Japan. That's the one downside about building Skylines. And the hardest part about doing what I do is patience and waiting for things to come together. Oh god, this is just such a good part. You can't even see it, dude, but they're about to make out. I'm just kidding. I just love this movie. Okay, wheels are off, and the meaty boys are on the ground. I gotta say, I love this tire. I'm really happy that I chose this tire size. These are 285 30s, and you know, the thing about them is they not only look good, and they're really wide, they're fat, whatever, but they don't ever rub. I got the 30 sidewall specifically so that it wouldn't rub, and it never does, so it's awesome. I'm gonna end up keeping these tires, but they're a little dirty. I'm just gonna wipe them off. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse them off real quick. This is probably doing nothing. But, you know, at least I'm trying. Dude, I'm not sure now. I think pink's a big contester. I'm just kidding. So I had to change. Victoria's gonna be mad that I'm wearing this stuff before we do our marketing photos. Because this might get a little dirty, but you guys already know. Like, I don't need to. Anyways, yeah, this is why I love Tahoe. 8 wheels, 4 tires. Easy peasy, bad moves. If you guys have never shopped with 5-3 Supply, I really encourage you to do so. Our merch is comfy. You won't regret it. And it's all for a really good cause.
Day 2.
So the other day they got to taking the wheels off and realized that they weren't comfortable with removing the tires off the 3-piece. The guy that usually does all my stuff, it was not there. And I absolutely respect that because, you know, they're $4,000 wheels. I don't want them to hurt them. And so I'm going back and I've had to wait all weekend to get these wheels on and it's been a pain because I really want to see them on. But now it's a nice sunny day, so I can't really complain. I'm gonna pick them up and then we're finally gonna be able to put the wheels on the car. Super, super excited. Oh yeah. Thank you. Done. All right, they're mounted. I'm gonna go ahead and get these suckers on and probably shine up a little bit to make the tires pop, but look how shiny these are. I love the finish. They have a few different finishes, but I chose the gunmetal because I knew that the gunmetal would really complement the red. And honestly, I gotta say, I don't like black wheels. Black wheels, especially matte black wheels, I think they're so ugly because you can't, like, they don't accentuate the wheel. Like, you could put literally, like, if you have a black wheel, you might as well get the cheapest wheel possible because, like, you're not gonna be able to see any of the wheel itself. It's just something black on the car. I think gunmetal is gonna be such an awesome compliment to it. Let's get it on though. I did end up posting the pink wheels on the car on, like, Twitter as a troll post. I'm really upset and disappointed at how many people thought that was a serious post. Guys, I'm not gonna do this much effort into making the car look good. Just put pink wheels on it. Damn. Silly. This color combo is absolutely maddening. This comes together so incredibly well. So one thing I was thinking about, back in the day, if you guys remember my hatchback STI, everybody loved that car. And I never really understood why because it was such a simple car. It had coilovers, wheels that fit really well because it did a lot of research, meaty tires, and like a front mount intercooler. Like there's not much to it. Like there's not much to that car. I didn't have that much money into it, but everybody still loved it. And it got me thinking, I build really nice cars if I keep them clean and simple. I'm good at matching colors and doing research on wheels and making it drivable yet something that looks really good. And I wanted to test myself this time around. And I wanted to just make it a nice clean car. What's awesome about this wheel is it looks good, it matches everything, it goes with everything on the car. I love the wheel. The wheel itself is awesome. It goes with the calipers, it doesn't clash with anything, and this setup will never rub. 285's the perfect offset. Like look at that, look at that. That right there will never rub. So I'm gonna shine these up a little bit, get it down, torque everything down to spec, and I'm gonna go take it for a spin. Bro. That looks good. Okay, the real question is, can I get out of my driveway now with this front lip? Not entirely, but hey, it works. Hard brakes. God, this car's fun to drive. Let's just appreciate this thing for a second, man. Huge shouts to Kansai wheels. There's not many wheels out there that would look as good as this. And I'm really, man, that's a dumpster. It smells like poo-poo. It looks awesome. It looks absolutely awesome. Oh! Front suspension flexing a little bit. Oh, flexing. Ah! Yikes! No rub though. But dang, dude, we talking about wheel fitment? Hold on. Look at this meat, bro. You can slap that on a grill and feed a family for weeks, dude. What? Meaty. That's meaty, bro. Hey, the wide angle doesn't do it justice, but it's meaty. Man, I love this car, dude. Love this car. Oh, wait, one more second. Oh, the sauce. We got the sauce rolling today. So I switched cameras, and I really like this one. I think the next move is gonna be to use these. Parts of me really wants to mount the Forge 3-piece onto the Skyline. I'll just have to put my wider body that I have, and we'll get it mounted on the back. I do want to see if those will look good with the purple color combo, because that's the color we're gonna end up going with. Can't wait to do the body kit on the R33. As soon as the Z is done, I'm probably gonna move on to doing this and getting the wheels fit and picked out. And by the way, this Friday, the first 100 orders are gonna get a free key tag, and we're actually going to start doing free stickers on every order. It would be so awesome if we sold out this drop. So I ask you guys, tell your friends, tell your family, and give us some love on this drop, because we've got some cool designs, very comfortable clothing. What I'm gonna leave you guys with today, all of the advice that I give you guys at the end of the video, it's obviously really meaningful, but you guys have so many influences. Sorry, let me rephrase that. You guys watch so many people that influence you, negative or positive. A lot of people don't realize that they're very passive. It's very easy to listen to something and go, oh, that's good advice. I want to encourage you guys really to live, like, to really act on the things that I try and tell you and the things that I say. There's a lot of people that do, and I get a lot of messages saying thank you and like, you've changed my life, which is awesome. But I want to honestly push you guys to go back and watch some of my videos just for the ending advice, and just to try and live your life the way that I am trying to help you. This is all stuff that has helped me in life. It's helped me get to where I am, and it's helped me, you know, create a strong family, a great relationship with my wife and stuff like that. And I want you guys to actively try and pursue the things that I'm trying to help you guys out with. So, and not just passively be like, oh, it's a good idea, and then go to the next video on YouTube and just forget everything I said. So I want you guys to know that motivation is nothing without discipline. So discipline yourselves and try and be active in pursuing a better life. Easy enough. See you guys later. I got 2 videos for you, baby. I know this one is really good and it's gonna be hard to top it, but man, I tell you what, you gotta watch those 2 videos right in front of you, because actually they're probably better or just as good. Hey, I have a new neighbor. Hi. You probably hate my cars. Yikes.